you ever wondered what happens to all those motor vehicles that are either smashed, crashed, or burned in those protests? Stick around, you're about to find out. There are two types of coverage, insurance coverage for your motor vehicle. The first one is collision. Collision means basically if the wheels are moving, the car is moving, and it gets damaged. Most likely, hit another car, you hit a pole, you hit something, your policy would cover that damage. Number two, comprehensive insurance. That means your car is covered if your wheels are not moving. So if something falls off of a building onto your car, damaging your car, if somebody side swipes your car, or vandalism. Vandalism would be the key if a motor vehicle is damaged during a protest. So you would put a claim onto your insurance company. But the majority of people do not have comprehensive coverage or collision coverage because it is quite expensive, especially for an older vehicle. If you don't have coverage, you're basically out of luck. You're gonna have to put your hands in your pocket to either repair it or to purchase a new vehicle. If you like these types of videos, please smash that subscribe button down there below, and yep, just hit that bell one more time.